It's a lovely day. Lovely day for another car mod. What we got? So today's mod is this bad boy. Aluminium and carbon antenna, except there's no carbon on it. I've had this custom sprayed courtesy of the fragrance guru at John Legg. So thank you for spraying it for me. Sprayed it in a satin black that is a Mazda colour, so I'm even more grateful for that. So let me rip it open and show you guys what we got. So I have been meaning to make this video for a while, and of course the box is battered, but never mind. Pull this bad boy out. Here we go. So a Mazda wouldn't be complete if we didn't have one of these bad boys that said Mazda Speed on it. I know, how awesome. So just gonna clean this up a little bit because it has been in a box for a little while. It has been for a couple of months and I haven't installed it yet, but this is going to be one of the easiest mods you could do for your Mazda or any vehicle really. It's as simple as finding the right adapter, male or female connector, and then smacking the bad boy on, well, twisting it on so it locks in. But yeah, this is the Mazda Speed Stubby aerial. I mean, my aerial doesn't work because I've got Apple CarPlay unit installed, so I don't use the radio. But this is a cool mod, and I think it does work. Well, it should work. So if you do want a cool mod and still want your radio to work, get one of these bad boys. Only a couple of quid off eBay. The one that you order, you get a carbon fibre strip there, but like I said, got mine painted to match the full out black look, and it looks awesome. So let's go and show you how easy it is to install. Now first of all, excuse how dirty the car is, but how you take the aerial off, you have to unscrew it. So righty tighty, lefty loosey, and off it pops. So as you can see here, it is a male connector, so that's the bad boy off the car. Let's go stick the new one on. So it is as literally as easy as that. Undoing the old one, unscrewing it, and as we can see here, it's got a male connector on the end to go into the female. So let's do that for this bad boy. What I do recommend doing is go and trying the adapter kit that you get. Go and try that first to see which one actually fits into the hole like that one. Remember, it's a screw on, so you'll have to screw it in place, and then if you want to take it out, just unscrew it. And just like that, screw it in, and there we have it. The Stubby is now installed to the Mazda 2 Beast. And just make sure that it is done up tight, otherwise it'll end up flying off down the motorway. And then you've added 5 extra brake horsepower to your Beast. Look at that. Now I think that looks so much better than it did with the longer one. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, and you actually like this Stubby antenna, then make sure to like the video for more content just like this. And consider subscribing if you've got a Mazda 2, because many more videos of the Beast will be out very soon.